Now we come to another example, question number 3, fourth part. Fifth part, sorry. First I am reading the question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So we have assumed the fraction is x upon y. If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. Fine, cross multiply the terms. So this will give you 11x plus 22 equal to 9y plus 18, or 11x, bring 9y to the left, minus 9y plus 22 minus 18 equal to 0, or 11x minus 9y plus 22 minus 18 will give us 4 equal to 0. This is your equation number 1. Next, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Fraction is x upon y. 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 5 by 6. So this is equal to 5 by 6. Again the same method. So we get 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5y plus 15. Rearrange the terms. 6x, I bring 5y to the left, minus 5y plus 18 minus 15 equal to 0, or 6x minus 5y plus 18 minus 15 will be plus 3 equal to 0. This is your second equation. Fine. So the first equation is 11x minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. Second equation 6x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. Solve both of them by the substitution method. I'll once again repeat the substitution method. So first equation is 11x minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0, and the second equation is 6x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. Now what we'll do? From the first equation, find the value of y or x. Let's find the value of y this time. So 11x plus 4 divided by 9 will give us y. Put this value of y in equation number 2. Putting the value of y in equation 2 will get 6x minus 5. In place of y we have to put 11x plus 4 by 9 plus 3 equal to 0. Now let's solve it. It's a linear equation in a single variable. 6x minus 55x minus 20 by 9 plus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Minus 5 multiplied by 11x gives you minus 55x, minus 5 into plus 4 gives you minus 20. Now denominator of 6x, nothing is there, so we write 1. Here also we write 1. 9 becomes the common LCM, so this term will become 6 9s are 54x minus 55x minus 20 plus 9 into 3 27, and 9 goes to the other side and becomes 0. 54x minus 55x will give us minus x, minus 20 plus 7 will give us plus 7, 27 minus 20 will get 7 equal to 0, or minus x equal to minus 7, From this we get the value of x as 7. Fine. Now put this here in place of x to obtain the value of y. So 11 into 7 plus 4 by 9 is y. 77 plus 4 will be 81 upon 9 is y. 81 by 9 is 9. So the value of x is 7, value of y is 9. Therefore, the fraction is numerator upon denominator, x upon y, 7 upon 9. Now in the next video, we'll discuss the elimination method.